hours later.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mark again. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for other DIY videos and other random videos. So today what we're going to do is I'm gonna teach you guys on how to remove the rear part panel, door panel of your HYUNDAI a Phillips screwdriver, and this one is unique. Just a used dry cloth or maybe an old thin socks, which we can use to remove the clip. So I already removed one clip on my HYUNDAI EON and this one, okay, but I haven't removed the panels yet. I'll show you on how to remove that clip real quick. So all you need to do is this one. So my apologies for the audio, as my microphone actually broke off, and I'm basically using my phone's microphone. So using the used cloth, this tin cloth, okay, you just need to spread it out and make sure that in between your panel and the hinge, okay, and then try to do a circular rotation like this one, okay, until you feel the clip. Once you feel the clip, all you need to do is just pull it outwards like this one, or the other way around. It depends where the clip is installed, okay. So once you do this motion, definitely that clip will be removed, and once you remove that, all you need to do now is just pull this off, okay. I'll show you what it looks like when it's installed, okay. So you see the knob, this one, so you see that groove in between, okay. The clip goes this way. So one side is installed, there you go. So that's what it looks like. That one holds this hinge to this one. There's a groove here. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you how you will be able to remove the panel itself. So similar with the video I posted a few weeks ago or a few days ago, no need to remove the lock. You just need to remove two screws, this one and the one hidden on the handle, this one, that one. Just pull up the cover, okay. I'll just set up the camera and I'll show you how. Alright, so I've already popped up the cover for this one, and now we just need to remove both screws. Same process in removing our door panel. Same process at the back. The only difference is this one. The back door uses a manual lever to open the window. In the front, it's already a power window. Let me just loosen up the screw. Right after you remove the screws, you just need to remove this, okay, and the pink lock here, like this one, just using your fingers. There you go. And then
Later.
so right at the bottom there is like a space where you can put your finger. Let me see if I can loosen this up. There you go. And gently loosen up the clip around. Same goes to this side. And these clips. This one, I'm using a fork like this. So all you need to do is just insert the clip, just pull it out. It might need a little bit of force, but you'll be able to pop it out. This is what it looks like. So as you can see, I've already removed all the clips right around, so it would be easier for us to install it. Alright, so no clips. Alright, so guys, after cleaning and making sure all the clips are secured, it's now time for us to install the panel back. And basically all we need to do now is just return the two screws and the door handle. Okay, and same process basically with the door panel removal and installation for the back one. So let's return this first. Let me just place you guys in a real quick. Alright, so just make sure you clip on this pink lock to this wire. Yeah, alright. And look for the hole. There you go. Alright, so end the screw. The short one goes here. Alright, and the long one goes to the handle. Of course, last but not the least, the window opener, the manual window opener. So just make sure you install the clip properly. Okay, and all you need to do now is just push it in place. One moment, let me show you. Alright, then just give it a little push. There you go. Alright, so you won't be able to pull that out. And just test it real quick. And it works. Right, so that's how you remove your rear door panel and basically remove the manual window opener. This applies to all vehicles that uses this type of door opener. If you happen to like the video, please feel free to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, check out my playlist. Thank you so much for joining me, guys, and everyone have a good day. Take care.